fifth one. Formation of differential equation means if they have given a differential equation like formation of differential equation. If they have given any function in the sense solution, like I'm taking the function is depending on x comma y and c1, c2, c3, so on cn is equal to 0. So given function in depending on x comma y variable, and there are how many constants are there? There are nearly n constant are there. Now I want to form it's a differential equation. I told you very clearly we have to differentiate the given function with respect to x as many number of constant. How many constants are there? N constant. So differentiate 1 with respect to x, differentiate twice, thrice till n. Okay. After differentiating n times, we have to eliminate the constant c1, c2, so on, cn. So this method is called a formation of differential equation. For example, okay, so when I differentiate n times, so what is the equation we are going to get? We may get to like uh, a naught d power ny by dx power n plus a1, means n times differentiation means the order becomes n. a1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1. Okay, so plus so on plus an becomes 0. So this is about like formation of differential equation, but they don't give the equation more than 4 constants. Maximum they may give 4 constants. They don't give 5, 6, 7 like that. For example, simple example I am going to give you, like y is equal to a into e power x is there. So this is a function. I want to find its derivative. Corresponding differential equation I need to find. Like how many constants we have? Only one constant. How many times we have to differentiate? Only one times. A into e power x. Again e power x is equal. So y dash is equal, clearly from 1 it can be written as 5. So which implies y dash minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the required differential equation. In the same way, like when you see the question number 5, there are how many constants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many times we need to differentiate? 4 times. So first the given function is y is equal to c1 e power x. Question number 5, y is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x plus c3 sin x plus c4 cos x. So we have to differentiate 4 times. When I differentiate once, c1 e power x, e power minus x is minus c2 e power minus x, plus c3 sin x derivative is cos x, but cos x is minus sin x. Minus, this is one derivative. Differentiate twice. Okay, now again c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x, minus c3 sin cos x derivative again. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. So c4 is sin x derivative is cos x. Okay, now this is y double dash, second derivative, third derivative, y triple dash, c1 e power x minus e power minus x is minus e power minus x, and minus c3 sin x becomes cos x. Here minus cos x means plus c4 sin x. So 4 constant, we must be differentiate 4 times, otherwise we don't get the required differential equation. So nothing but what? c1 e power x minus c2 minus c2 e power minus x. Here cos x derivative is minus sin x minus c2 minus plus c3 sin x plus c4 cos x. Okay, ma? Right, what about this? From the given equation, given function, fourth derivative is clearly equal to, again it is equal to y. It is clearly equal to y. So that this is the required differential equation. Y fourth derivative minus y is equal to 0. So write what about the other? Y4 is equal to y. That's it. Yeah, question number 6. The differential equation whose solution is. I told you very clearly this kind of questions. Okay, let us do once. How many constants we have? Only one constant. See, how many times we have to differentiate? Only one times. Y is equal to c square plus c by x. 6. Y is equal to c square plus c by x. It is simple. Differentiate with respect to y. Y dash is equal to c square is a constant. C into 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square, which implies, see, finally our target is we have to eliminate the constant. So now, which implies c is equal to what? Minus x square y dash. Shall I cross multiply this minus? C value we got. This c value you can substitute in the given equation. Y is equal to c square. C square means minus x square y dash the whole square plus c. C means minus x square y dash by x. In place of x, I have replaced in place of, sorry, in place of c, I have replaced like minus x square y dash. So y is equal to x power minus becomes plus x power 4 y dash the square, and 1x get cancelled minus x y dash. So which of the following is correct? X power 4 y dash square minus x y1. Okay, this is right. See, I have taken that y dash, but they have given y suffix 1. So I told you very clearly we can write y dash or y suffix 1 or dy by dx. Okay, and df by dx, this is f dash of x. We can write in many ways, right? And coming to this, yeah, differential equation of all non-vertical lines in a plane is what already we have done. Non-vertical line means y is equal to mx plus c. Differentiate dy by dx is equal to m into 1 plus 0. Again differentiate d square y by dx square, that is equal to 0. So the answer is first option. Coming to the eighth one, the differential equation whose solution is, yeah, this we have to differentiate. Yes, students, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
I think. Okay, right. Vignesh,
Sir,
yeah, Vaishnav, right. Good. See, students, here, yeah, in this question, I explained directly here. You can differentiate use UV rule with help of UV. And when I differentiate once, we get like this. And again, you can differentiate. You'll get like this. Right side value is clearly again. After differentiating twice, right side value becomes again xy. Here a e power x plus b e power minus x is equal to xy. I substituted and then we got the first option. Okay, these questions are very easy, Olin. Now, coming to this
sir,
question,
we explain the eighth question, sir. Eighth and ninth again.
8th and ninth. 8th, I'm giving homework like you can differentiate twice, with help of your UV rule you can apply. Coming to the ninth one, see, ninth one, we have to differentiate how many times? Two times. Because how many constants are there? A and B. A and B. Small b, two constant. Two times you can differentiate. When you want to differentiate with respect to x, left side you can use UV rule. That is U V dash. Y derivative I'm taking as y suffix 1. Y suffix 1 nothing but first derivative. Y suffix 2 means second derivative. So UV rule x into y derivative is y1, y into x derivative is 1 is equal to right side a e power x is e power x, but e power minus x is minus b e power minus x. Okay. And again, you can differentiate by applying here UV rule. This is U, this is V. Y1 is V and X is U. X, Y1 derivative, Y2 plus Y1 into X derivative 1. Here already Y is there. Y derivative is Y1. Okay. Like finally, XY to Y1 plus Y1 is 2Y1 is equal to right side is clearly XY. So option first is correct. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah, coming to the next question, number 10. 10th question I can explain you. Uh, what about question number 10? Differential equation having general solution. So in every question in formation of differential equation, they'll give a general solution. Means indirect solution of differential equation is given. We have to find the corresponding differential equation plus b. Okay, now I want to differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. It is like a chain rule, x square 2 into sine inverse x. Again, sine inverse x is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Plus capital A into cos inverse x is 1 by minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Sine inverse x, cos inverse x, both is same, but only sign is different. For sine inverse plus 1 by, for cos inverse derivative minus 1 by root over. So root over 1 minus x square. B is a constant derivative 0. So dy by dx is equal to finally 2 into sine inverse x. Do one thing. When I take LCM, root over 1 minus x square. Okay, take this 1 minus x square and minus e. Just you can cross multiply this. You can cross multiply root over 1 minus x square is equal to, sorry, into dy by dx. Dy by dx in options what they have given, y1, y2. Dy by dx, you shall take y1. Just denominator I cross multiplied and minus 8. Okay. So when I differentiate once, b is vanishes, and when I differentiate again, a will be vanishes. Okay. So anyhow, when you differentiate with respect to x once or twice or thrice, so finally we have to eliminate the constant. So we have to differentiate as many number of constant. So now left side we can apply UV rule. U like root over 1 minus x square. Y1 derivative is y2. So UV dash plus U dash V. So that is y1 into square root of 1 minus x square formula. It is like a square minus x square. Students, a square minus x square. Clear? Power scheme. So a square minus x square formula is what? Since I'm going to write the formula here, root over a square minus x square d, the derivative of like chain rule. We can apply the chain rule. It is like root x. So what is root x derivative? 1 by 2 root x, 1 minus x square. Again into 1 minus x square derivative is minus 2x. Minus 2 because 1 derivative 0 minus x square is minus 2x. Is equal to 2 times of sin inverse x again 1 by root over 1 minus x square. A derivative clearly 0. This a derivative 0. So finally root over 1 minus x square into y2 plus into minus minus. Here we are going to get 2x y1 by, here 2 2. Shall I cancel this 2 2? Here we can cancel this 2, this 2. Then here we are going to get xy1 by x1 by root over 1 minus x square is equal to 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Now take LCM on both sides, that like LHS especially 1 minus x square, here 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square whole square y2 and minus xy1 is equal to 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Get cancelled. So finally the answer is 1 minus x square y2 y2 minus xy1 is equal to 2. Yeah, third option is equal to 2 is there. Got it, students? 1 minus x square y2. So it's very simple. If they give any general solution like this, so it just first you have to observe the number of constant. So we have to differentiate. How many times of differentiation we can do here? 2 times we need to do the differentiation because there are only 2 constants. Where we have 2 constants. Okay. Here question number 11. Question number 11. So what shall we do here? Question number 11. Students, a normal at the point x comma y to the curve y is equal to f of x cuts the triangle of unit area with the axis. The differential equation of the curve is the differential equation of the curve is. Okay, so here if I take any triangle here, triangle like OAB. So I take triangle OAB. So what is the area of triangle they have given? Area of the triangle is 1 unit area, right? So now here half into base into height in a triangle, like first equation of normal. What is the equation of normal? Normal at any point on the curve. The normal equation y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1, x minus x1, right? So this is the equation of normal I have taken directly. Equation of normal, right? So with help of this, first we have to find the sides of the, like, see, the area of triangle is given by half into base into height. Half into base into height. What is the base? What is the height? Okay, this is, yes, students, can you hear me? Yeah. So this is about actually that question about normal concept. So half into base into height. So base we have to represent in terms of dy by dx, and height we can represent in terms of. So very simple. Here, by substituting x is equal to 0, you have to find y value. Y is equal to 0, you have to find x value. Okay, this question and all, you can round it. I can explain you. To explain this like a differential equation, we should know about like some orthogonal trajectory conditions. Okay, that we will do this question alone. Because we have to write the normal equation, we have to find the base in terms of dy by dx and height in terms of dy by dx. Then half into base into height is equal to half into base into height is equal to, you can take 1 because already area 1 is given. So instead of that, first we'll do this first question, second question,
Sir,
third question. Yeah.
sir, for the question, sir, it is given like the triangle is formed with the axis, sir. So can we take like half into x into y as the distance on x-axis and y-axis, sir?
Yeah, that will put y is equal to 0. You are going to get the point vertex on x-axis.
Yes, sir.
Vertex on x-axis. Put here y is equal to 0, you'll get vertex on x-axis. And you can put x is equal to 0, you get y value. So you can consider this as base, this as height, half into this value into this value. Correct or not? Here, the equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. Now you can cross multiply here. So y minus y1 into dy by dx is equal to minus x plus x1. Minus x plus x1. Okay, here to find this, put what is the value we can make them? Here put y is equal to 0. Y value 0. So minus y1 into dy by dx is equal to minus x plus x1. So from this, we will get take x value is left side, this minus x left side, it will become plus x is equal to y1 dy by dx plus x1. Right, now base is becomes y1 dy by dx plus x1 half into base. In the same way, put this equation x is equal to 0, you get this value. Half into base into it equating to 1 and simplify will get the answer. So what about this value, like this value when x is equal to 0? When I take x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, here only y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx here in this equation. Minus 1 by dy by dx means minus dx by dy into 0 minus x1. 0, finally y is equal to y1 plus, see, minus y1 take right side plus y1, and minus it minus plus x1 dx by dy. So now this y value and this x value, y nothing but this is height. Here we got base is x, height is y. So now substitute these two values in half into base into height is equal to 1. Substitute b value, h value. Let us take this as h, height. This is like b. So half into base into height. Just multiply and simplify, you will get the answer. That's the reason we'll do once again that question. Like first one. The curve passes through the point 4, 2 and at any point. Simple question. This is a curve. It is passing through 4, 2 and at any point means x, y is any point here. When I take x, y is any point according to the given data, any point x, on it, product of its slope and ordinate equal to the opposite. Product of slope means dy by dx and ordinate actually not x here, y. So I'm going to solve here. The product of slope dy by dx and ordinate means y is equal to opposite according to the given data. The product of slope nothing but dy by dx, ordinate nothing but y is clearly equal to opposite. Opposite means x, here ordinate y. Slope means dy by dx. So from that, dy by dx is equal to, yeah, what shall we do? Just we have to separate the variable. Yeah, we have to solve this differential equation, okay, with the help of, okay, but options they have given, okay, whether it will form a parabola or circular, it's very simple, student. Y dy is equal to, shall I write x dx? Now when I integrate, plus c, y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Now when I take x square is left side or else y square is right side, it is in the form of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay, so what about this equation? Yeah, when I simplify that, this is the equation of, it is in the form of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, nothing but hyperbola. The given equation in the form of hyperbola. Any option hyperbola? Both option. Once you check the option, what is the option they have given? Just you have, according to the given data, you can take the condition, then apply the variable separable method. That's it. Question number 2. The differential equation of family of circles whose center lies on the x-axis, that is nothing but x minus a whole square. Students, anyone? Plus y square is equal to a square. The center lies on the x-axis means what about the y value becomes 0. Okay, you can take center lies on the x-axis. Okay, so here radius is I'm taking as smaller, fine. What about the here this radius also becomes r. This is r, this is also clearly r. Then but center should be lies on the x-axis, means center is I'm taking a comma 0. Center is a comma 0. Okay, otherwise simply instead of this, simply you can take, after expanding also you are going to get x square plus a square, like a minus b whole square formula, minus 2ab. Okay, so x square plus y square minus 2ax, or also in general form 2gx is equal to 0 also we may take. This is represent the family of circle whose center lies on the x-axis. The family of circles whose center lies on the y-axis 2fy is equal to 0, right? So how many constants we having, students? We are having only one constant g. How many times we can differentiate? Only, how many times? We have to differentiate only once, because we have to eliminate g. Okay, so differentiate once, x square is 2x, a square is 0 plus 2g into 1. So from this 2g is equal to minus 2x. So now in place of 2g substitute that minus 2x. So x square plus y a square, a square, x square plus y square. 2g value is what? Minus 2x into x. So finally x square minus 2x square plus y square is equal to 0. Simple, y square minus x square is equal to 0. Nothing but y minus x into y plus x is equal to 0. What they have done? How many questions is there? Word problem only 4. So like that, students, you can take x square plus y square plus 2gx is equal to 0. This equation will represent family of circle whose center lies on the x-axis. This is the family of circle whose center lies on the y-axis. Okay, after that we can differentiate. And coming to the fourth question, a differential equation of family of parabolas. Family of parabola as latest rectum 4a. Yeah, latest rectum 4a. And whose axes are parallel to the, yeah, this axis parallel to x-axis. Whenever the equation of parabola which is parallel to the, I mean, axis of parabola is parallel to the given way. This is the axis of parabola parallel to the x-axis. The length of the latest rectum always 4a. So which of the following option is correct for that? First, what shall we do? We have to take the equation of parabola. See, in parabola also, vertex is not, in parabola also, look at here. This is the parabola whose axis of parabola is parallel to x-axis. When I take this here focus, this is latest rectum, this is x-axis, both will be parallel. So the equation of this whose vertex I'm taking as h comma k is y minus k the whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. This is the standard form of the parabola equation whose vertex is h comma k. Everyone must be remembered. How many constants are there? Two constants. How many times you have to differentiate? Two times. You have to differentiate two times and you can eliminate that. Okay. Because we have to eliminate k and h only. No need to a. No need to eliminate a value. In the same way, fourth question also you can try to do. Yeah, this homogeneous and non-homogeneous, non-homogeneous, because you know homogeneous, non-homogeneous we don't know. There are three types of non-homogeneous we having. This non-homogeneous and homogeneous concept, like homogeneous questions in classwork, one also will do next class.